What is going on, guys? Welcome back. We are here with another great product from Venustas. I love this thing. Just got it a few days ago and I'm excited to show you guys. These are the same people that brought you the heated jacket for the wintertime to keep you warm. Now this is gonna help you stay cool at the ballpark, at the beach. If you're like us and you got one kid in a playing ball and the other one's kind of running around, this is gonna definitely help keep them cooler, keep them in the shade. And this thing is a breeze to set up. No big, huge, bulky tent. It's just a small, I mean, you see the package. It's small enough that my 6-year-old can handle this thing and take care of business. So let's get to it, guys. This thing comes with all the stakes you need, comes with the string you need, the adjustable strings on them. All of these windows, this window, and this other side window will all roll up like that, just like a regular tent, and they'll stay like that, or you can put them up in the front. And it's perfect for smaller kids or for a beach day. It is really windy here, if you haven't noticed, but the string is holding it in place. And this front thing right here will act as a porch, more or less. So let me get that out and show you. This whole thing will unzip. So you can see this thing comes out and it's freaking perfect. I love this little tent. This thing is going to come in super handy for ball games, and it's easy to put up if it's not windy. You know, you don't even need the strings on the side. Shark is gonna demolish Scooby-Doo, huh? But it does come with sandbags, so if you're on the beach, sandbags, like separate sandbags, I do have them in my pocket, but they all come so you can weigh it down. And yeah, lots of shade from everywhere, guys. This Venustas tent is definitely a go-getter. I'm looking forward to using this thing come the World Series with softball, so definitely gonna help with the shade. I can fit in it. Our kids can get in it whenever they're in between games, just kind of relaxing, waiting for the next game. So definitely a good piece. And you've seen how small it is, guys. This thing is amazing. Definitely, if you're in the market going to the beach, going, you know, softball, football, soccer, whatever it is, you got kids in sports, this is definitely a must-have item for the field. So yeah, make sure you check out the link below. Thank y'all for watching, and until next time, guys, y'all be good, stay safe out there.